Job satisfaction among registered nurses working in public hospitals, a study in Windhoek, Namibia. This important article is authored by the following scientists. The study examines and determines the level of job satisfaction among registered nurses in public hospitals in Windhoek, Namibia, focusing on hygienic and motivational factors as described by Herzberg's two-factor theory. A quantitative exploratory descriptive design was applied to this study. This study was conducted in its natural setting, specifically at the only two public hospitals in Windhoek, Namibia. The study was conducted over a period of 1 month, October 2018. The target population was the total population of registered nurses with more than 1 year of working experience. A pilot study was conducted to refine the methodology. A reliable, validated Minnesota questionnaire was used to collect the data. The researcher personally collected data. Data were analyzed using SPSS and presented in the form of tables. Ethical approval was obtained from the Health Research Ethics Committee, HREC, reference #S 1803/046, the Ministry of Health and Social Services, and by way of informed consent from participants. The level of job satisfaction differed among the participants. Specifically, most participants were dissatisfied with their salaries, 60%, working conditions, 53%, and the chance for promotion and advancement opportunities, 66%. Based on the findings of the study, there is an urgent need for policy interventions regarding promotion and advancement opportunities, improvement of the working conditions, and giving acknowledgement for the performance of nurses. This will enhance nurses' job satisfaction and retention in public hospitals. Introduction. This study explores how satisfied registered nurses are with their jobs in public hospitals in Windhoek, Namibia. Job satisfaction is an important factor that affects how well nurses perform and the quality of care they provide. Research from around the world shows that job satisfaction varies from country to country and is influenced by things like salary, working conditions, recognition, and workload. In Namibia, there is limited research on this topic, but existing studies suggest that nurses often feel overworked, stressed, and undervalued. This can lead to burnout, emotional exhaustion, and even nurses leaving their jobs. Since nurses are essential to the healthcare system, understanding what makes them satisfied or dissatisfied is important to improve their work environment, keep them motivated, and ensure better patient care. This research aims to better understand what influences job satisfaction among nurses in Windhoek's public hospitals. Conclusion. This study looked at what factors affect how happy registered nurses are with their jobs in public hospitals in Windhoek, Namibia. The findings showed that while many nurses were satisfied, there are still important areas of concern. Nurses are more likely to be unhappy when their work environment is stressful, their pay doesn't match the work they do, and when management is too strict or unapproachable. Job satisfaction is very important because it directly affects how well nurses care for their patients. When nurses are unhappy for a long time, it can lead to poor job performance, burnout, and even mistakes that can harm patients. These situations can lead to legal issues and damage the reputation of the nursing profession. Addressing the concerns of dissatisfied nurses is crucial to keep them in the profession and to maintain high standards of patient care. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.